Another valuable optional Power Commander 6 accessory is the POD-300. This real-time data monitor monitors all the data that's happening inside the Power Commander 6 with a quick CAN cable connection to the side of the pod and to the side of the Power Commander 6. You can see all of the data happening in the Power Commander right on your handlebars with a handlebar mount or on your dash if it's a UTV. This is configurable with up to 4 gauge patterns to have 4 gauges up, 2 gauges up, or 1 big one in the middle. It's also programmable with warning lights. So if down here at the bottom, you want the red light to start flashing when you get to, say, 80% injector duty cycle, or monitor speed input when you get to 80 miles per hour, or you can compound them to have a and statement in between some logic of the Power Commander. So if your gear position is gear 5 and your wideband AFR data reads over 14.0 and your throttle position is over 13, flash that green light or something of the sort. So you can do all these other logics with these indicator lights. It's also a real-time data logger. So any of the data that's inside the Power Commander, you can press this center button to start a log, and then that will save inside the memory of the POD-300, which you can then view in PowerCore at a later time. Man, I love my pods though. Super cool. Very valuable tuning tool. Beyond just those data logging and viewing of alarms, it's also a real-time infield fuel trim device. So inside the Power Commander 6, you can set up your, call it low RPM, mid RPM, and high RPM ranges where you can trim fuel real-time out in the field. So if in the mid-range your bike's feeling a little rich or lean, whichever it may be, just use the buttons inside the pod to add a little bit of fuel to richen it up and then keep riding. So you don't even have to get out of a computer. You don't have to switch maps with the map switch. It's just right here on the pod. Real-time fuel trimming in the field using the POD-300.